Hello to the beautiful people, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get the last item in an array in the JavaScript. Alright, so let's just create an array first. So we have created an array. Now I just want to access the last item of an array. Okay, so we're gonna do this thing in the three different ways. Alright, so the first one would be the most familiar one. So let's just try that. Console log my array dot length -1. Okay, and this is how we can get the last item of our array. Okay, this is the one way, and we're gonna do this in another way too, in which we're gonna use my array and we're gonna use the at method, which will simply return us the element depending on the index value we will provide in the argument. So, and as we know that for the last item we can also write the -1, so it will simply return us the 7 as well. Okay, so the last element. Run it again and you can see we have the 7 with this method too. Alright, so we're gonna also use the last one, which is console log, and in which we're gonna use my array dot slice, and here I'm going to provide the index number for the last element, which will be -1, and I want to access the first item of my new array because the slice method will simply create a new array for us. So I'm going to write the 0 here, and by the way, the array which we will get with the help of slice method here, it will only take a single element, which would be the last item of our previous or my array. Alright, so this is how it works, and run it again and we have accessed the last item of an array in a 3 different ways, and this is how it works. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.